Hey everyone, and welcome to Acrylic Painting Basics, the color wheel. Why are color wheels so important? That way we don't have to remember stuff. We can simply spin this dial around to figure out how to get any color we want just by adding stuff to it. So if we want a nice orange, we take red, we add yellow, we get orange. Now on the back side, we have our complementary colors wheel. And that's all this diagram in the middle here is. And then what does it boil down to? What colors look good together? With a green, its complementary color is red. The split complementary colors for red is blue, green, and yellow, green. So we know that we can use blue, green, green, yellow, green with red, and everything should look pretty kosher. But the thing that I really like the color wheel for is figuring out complementary colors. Why? Because I can add black or white to a paint to change the tone, to change the shade. But if I want to change the intensity of a color or how bright it is, I need to know what its complementary color is. And so we have red, we have green. Let's see this in action, right? I'm going to just grab a big old blob of red here and stick it right there. We've got a nice high intensity red. Now what we can do is take a bit of green. Actually, this is going to be a whole lot of green. And grab some of this red and mix that up. And we'll lay that down right next to it. By adding the complementary color, we're changing that intensity of the red. You can see we have a nice deep red, almost a brown. Let's clean that brush off real quick. We're going to grab just a dab of green this time, throw it in some red up here, and see if we can't get us a little bit of a lighter red. Well, not as, again, we're changing the intensity. So with just a touch of green, let's pull this red in. We'll bring it right above. And that, my friends, is what complementary colors are for. So instead of adding black or white to change the shade and the tone, we can add the complementary color of red, it's green, so that we go from a high intensity red to more muted reds. It helps make things look more natural. Or if you want to just put something into a really interesting shadow that's all one color, you can do this. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hey, please hit subscribe below. And have a great day and go out and paint something.